Sige na. Bag raid.
Here, I got mouthwash that Listerine and put in the alcohol spray and lipstick for them. Gagawin din mo lang pagbusa. And my jersey for our picture later.
Ay, ara kanili ang guard.
Dahod kiyan ga. Vlog mo din.
And the main storage. Here we got my gloves, my 2 hats. So this is my gloves. I think this is old.
5K.
This is old and I want a new. I will cry on my mommy that, "Mommy, I want new." Like that.
Like that.
And this one I got this. This is old too because it's tuk-tuk.
Rusty maray.
It have rusts.
This.
It's my batting gloves. I did not. Oh my god. I did not wash it, but it's
Mizuno.
washed.
It's Mizuno.
It's Mizuno and
How much?
1K. I did not wash this one, but it's washed. I think my mom washed this one. So there's my and there's the mom of Emily. Oh, they will talk about what happened and they will sabunutan again.
What happened last weekend?
Gani.
Sila po mo.
English dapat, English.
Dako po nila. Kasi sila duwa mo.
Hindi, akon to. Hindi, ano kayo tulugan mo.
The vlog to ba yung batian ng libak.
Hindi, mas ka mo ba?
I have one hat and the one is kring only and the other is
Kring.
kring only too. And to the back, the shoes storage.
The last
one. Wait. I got my slipper. I got this from Sandra Plaza and I'm sunggod because my mom will not buy me this one.
This.
And this is my
Shoes.
I don't know what.
Under Armour.
studs.
Under Armour kagago mo. As this.
Asics.
Asics.
Ay, Asics.
But ay lintags. I still have my medyas.
Yes. Amoy.
It's not very bad, but it's good, not very good.
How much?